In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in Hubspot. Static lists are really handy when you want a fixed group of contacts that doesn't change automatically. For example, a list for a specific campaign, event, or outreach sequence. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add contacts to one of these lists and then how to remove them when they no longer belong there. Let's start with adding contacts. First, go into your Hubspot account and navigate to the main menu. From there, head into CRM, then choose Contacts. This will bring you to the full table of contact records in your account. On this page, you'll see checkboxes to the left of each contact. Select the contacts you want to add to your static list by clicking those checkboxes. You can choose a single contact or select multiple contacts at once. If you're working with a lot of records, it can help to filter the list first and then select just the group you want. Once your contacts are selected, look for the More option at the top of the table. Click on More and then choose Add to Segment, which in this case refers to your lists. A panel or window will open where you can search for and select the static list you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct static list, especially if you have several with similar names. After you've selected the list, click Add to confirm. Those contacts are now included in that static list. Now let's look at how to remove contacts from a static list. This time, start again from the CRM section. But instead of contacts, choose segments or lists, depending on how it's labeled in your account. Here you'll see all of your existing lists. Find and click the name of the static list you want to clean up. This opens the table of contacts that currently belong to that list. Just like before, use the checkboxes next to each contact to select the ones you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check your selection, because removing contacts will take them out of this list. Once you've selected the contacts, look at the top of the table for the option that says Remove from Segment. Click that, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the message, then click Remove to confirm. The selected contacts will be removed from this static list without deleting the contacts from your CRM.